Imagine a motorhome that looks like a beast on the road but feels like a luxury apartment inside. That's exactly what the 2026 RAM Motorhome Truck delivers. The moment you see it, you know this isn't your average RV. It's bold, aggressive, and built to dominate highways while giving you the comfort of home wherever you go. Welcome back to RV TourHub, where we explore the most exciting RVs in the world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorhome trucks of 2026. A perfect blend of power, style, and smart living. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 RAM Motorhome Truck carries that signature RAM toughness with a massive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a muscular body that screams confidence. But this isn't just about looks. It's built on a heavy-duty chassis designed to handle long-distance travel, rough terrains, and heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Under the hood, you're getting serious power. This truck is expected to feature a high-performance engine, likely a turbo diesel, giving you the torque you need for towing and climbing steep roads. Whether you're traveling across cities or exploring remote areas, this motorhome is built to take you there without compromise. Now let's step inside. And this is where things get truly exciting. The interior feels more like a luxury studio apartment than a vehicle. You're welcomed by a modern design with high-quality materials, soft lighting, and a spacious layout that maximizes every inch. The living area offers a comfortable seating space that easily converts into a sleeping area. Large windows bring in natural light, making the space feel open and relaxing. There's also a smart entertainment system, perfect for movie nights on the road. Move towards the kitchen, and you'll find everything you need. A compact but fully functional setup with a stove, sink, refrigerator, and smart storage solutions. Whether you're making a quick snack or cooking a full meal, it's all possible here. The sleeping area is designed for comfort, featuring a cozy bed with enough space to stretch and relax after a long day of travel. Some models may even include expandable sections to increase sleeping capacity, making it ideal for families or group trips. And let's not forget the bathroom. Yes, a full bathroom in a truck. Equipped with a shower, toilet, and sink, it ensures you don't have to rely on external facilities during your journey. Technology is another strong point. The 2026 RAM Motorhome Truck is expected to include advanced driver assist features, a digital dashboard, navigation systems, and possibly even smart home integration, allowing you to control lights, temperature, and appliances with ease. Storage is also well thought out, with multiple compartments both inside and outside the vehicle, so you can carry everything you need without clutter. In short, this motorhome truck is not just about traveling. It's about living freely, comfortably, and confidently on the road. So, if you love adventure but don't want to give up comfort, the 2026 RAM Motorhome Truck might just be your dream ride. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to RV TourHub for more amazing RV tours and updates.